In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth on/off button missing in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, bear in mind before we get into it that this works exactly the same on Windows 10 and 11. I will just be doing this on Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a Bluetooth compatible device, or like if you have a desktop PC, you need to have a Bluetooth dongle for Bluetooth to work. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your Windows icon, right click it, and then you're going to see a lot of options and you just want to click Device Manager. Once you click Device Manager, it's going to show up with something like this, and you're going to go over to the Bluetooth section, and as you can see, I have a MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. If you have a Bluetooth adapter showing up here, you want to right click it and make sure that the device is enabled. If it's enabled, it's going to say Disable Device right here, and if it's disabled, it's going to say Enable Device. So you want to make sure to enable the device and check to update the driver. You can search automatically for drivers as well, but as you can see, I have the best driver already installed, so you want to check that as well to make sure that your Bluetooth adapter is running properly. What you want to do from here is you want to head on over to your settings, click that, and then on the left you're going to see Bluetooth and devices. You want to click this, and right now Bluetooth is turned off. I can just turn this on. Right now, it's going to say what it's discoverable as, and then you can just click add device and add whatever you want, whether it's like a controller or a headset or even a mouse or anything like that. You can set it up over here. However, if it's still not showing, and let's say you don't have an adapter enabled or working on your Bluetooth on your device, what you can do is search up the very specific model of your laptop or the motherboard of your PC and look for compatible Bluetooth adapters. You can get them for very, very cheap. And once you plug that into your PC or laptop, your Bluetooth on your laptop or PC should be working.